leaving the Boer War fort. This is an interesting road, eh?
Can we please go closer to the mountain?
Come on. This is interesting. Just came flying past a sign that says this is Potjiesberg Pass. Say it again.
Potjiesberg Pass.
It's the third time I've heard of it.
On the N9.
On the N9, just outside of Uniondale, on the road from Willowmore. What's amazing is how they blast away the part of the mountain just to get through.
And how long ago it was.
Yeah.
It's not today, yesterday. Like here. This is solid.
Yeah.
That's it.
Jongs rust de vlucht.
Correct.
See, here's the mountains you saw from the other side that look like the waves.
Yeah, it's amazing, eh? It almost looks like a tablecloth.
Yeah, that's been draped over the mountain.
Love it. There, they go like
Yeah.
quicker succession. It's amazing. Yeah. Hillside Guest Farm.
Hillside Guest Farm.
We'll see smaller boards that say Hillside, and they've been mounted on white poles.
Okie dokes.
And then we get to a gate which is locked, and we need to enter a code.
Okie dokes. Do you have the code?
Yes.
Hillside this way?
Yes.
Oh, there was someone ahead of us now opened the gate, so I just had to close the gate now. We finally arrived at our hillside farm stay. But I must say, it's not a hill, it's a mountain. Look at that. The mountains we were talking about with the tablecloth shapes, that's it. What a beautiful place. Let me take you to our little chalet. It's called the Wild Fig. Already got our braai stacked. We've got our braai stuff stacked here. They fenced it in because it's pet friendly. Your little deck. Fantastic. This is it. I love to stay over on farms. Kitchen, bedroom, and the bathroom. Even got a nice mountain view from the bathroom. If If you look up, there's the farmer's house. There, closer now. You see the farmer's house over there.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers, my love.
Was a good day, hey?
Stunning day. Really.
Lots of gravel.
We did a heck of a lot of gravel.
Wow.
And those passes were amazing.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Well, as you've seen, we've reached Hillside Guest Farm and we've checked in and had a braai and time to eat the sack and wait for tomorrow. Thanks for joining us. We had a wonderful trip. The last few episodes, I'm sure you enjoyed them as we enjoyed the trips. I would like to say thank you, and if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next one.